This message is for the Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security, Markwayne Mullin. My name is Farah Larrieux. I'm a woman with big dreams. Despite my privileged social status in Haiti, I migrated to the US in 2005 because Haiti was too small for my dreams. Here in the US, I had everything to succeed. But I faced one major challenge: navigating through the broken immigration system. After many years of struggles, I was relieved in 2010 when I got granted TPS. The status has helped me to rebuild my life and to make significant impacts in my community. By terminating TPS, you are destroying my life and putting me at risk of being kidnapped, raped, or murdered in Haiti. If you force me to go back to Haiti at this moment, despite the horrific conditions over there, if anything happens to me, you and Trump will have my blood on your hands. Secretary Mullin, if you don't want to listen to me, listen to the American people who are already feeling the impact of your anti-immigrant policy that triggers acute labor shortages, immediate operational disruptions, and mass layoffs across critical industries like healthcare, hospitality, elder care, and aviation. Mr. Secretary, do not wait too late to do the right thing. Do not wait until your economy collapses. Do not wait until American elders, disabled, and patients are dying in facilities due to a shortage of caregivers. Do not wait until more American farmers file for bankruptcy. Mr. Secretary, it is common sense. I'm not asking you for a favor. I'm asking you to do what is in the interests of your people and of my people. Secretary Mullin, designate TPS or DD to Haiti. It is crucial that the Trump administration sit down with leaders of the Haitian diaspora to address the migration of Haitians. Let's work together to fix the underlying cause of the ongoing instability in Haiti. Thank you.